What's going on, you guys? Another NQ Robbie trade recap video for you guys. Today was a loss on my Lucid 50K eval. Let's get right into it. Obviously, starting on the higher time frame, I was extremely bullish. As you can see right here, we inversed this daily bullish fair value gap, and we were trending towards this daily low as well as this daily low, which also happened to be a weekly fair value gap. So I was very confident in not only my bias, but also my draws and liquidity being this daily low and this daily low slash fair value gap. Now on the 4 hour, I marked out this bearish fair value gap. That was the only one that was near current price, but I wasn't really that concerned about it because it was honestly still, even though it was the closest one, it was still very far. But then I dropped down one more time to the hourly. This is what confirmed my bearish bias. We were delivering from this bearish hourly fair value gap. As you can see, we rejected strongly, putting in this huge rejection block and confirming this hourly internal high or intermediate high, whatever you want to call it. Then once more, dropping down to the 30-minute, confirming my bias even further. We had this 30-minute internal high or intermediate high, whatever you want to say, confirming my bias even more. This fair value gap is a little big, but as you can see, price came up, tapped into this 30-minute, and continued to dump towards my draws and liquidity. Right now, it is 9:25. We are on the 5-minute. We are generating low resistance liquidity on the 5-minute, as well as obviously the 3-minute and the 1-minute. So at market open, I wanted to see a manipulation to the upside, sweeping this 30-minute intermediate high, tapping into this 30-minute, and then taking us down to this daily low as well as this daily low. And at open, as you can see, we beautifully manipulated into this 30-minute internal high, tapping into this 30-minute fair value gap, and sweeping all of this buy-side liquidity. We also confirmed this 1-minute bullish fair value gap that I was going to look to take inversions to the downside to target my draws on liquidity. And as you can see very quickly, we got a super strong bearish close on this 1-minute, keeping this low unswept. I probably should have went break even on it in hindsight, but it is what it is. I set my stops just above this 1-minute fair value gap, or where we inversed it. And I targeted a little bit more than a 1-to-1 because I'm on a Lucid 50K flex. And if you don't know, they have a 50% consistency rule. So I think I targeted, right around a 1.2 risk to reward. And I full ported that bitch because, that's how I trade these evals. I full port, I go for 1-to-1. And it's as simple as that. So I got tagged in literally right here for just around a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. And as you can see, we were a little bit in profit. Maybe I should have went break even at this low, but I was so confident in my draws and liquidity, especially with how strong we inversed this 1-minute. And we were getting good displacement, and we got a closure below that 930 wick. So maybe in hindsight I should have went break even, but I fully believe that this was a statistical loss. And then we came back up, got another clean 1-minute inversion right here. I didn't like this because we edged this 1 hour as well as this 1 hour intermediate high. But as you can see afterwards, we kind of are just chopping around, and we are not displacing towards my draws and liquidity. Yes, we hit this daily low, but I fully believe that we should have hit this daily low slash weekly fair value gap. But just an unfortunate day. I fully believe that this was a statistical loss. I'm sure some big creator is going to come out and give me a million reasons why I should have faded this trade, but I don't care. This was A+ in my book, and that's really all that matters. I fully believe that this was a statistical loss, but it is what it is. Like I said, short trade recap today, done by 10 a.m., down, $1,300 on my Apex or my Lucid eval now. We're going to come back stronger tomorrow, and we're going to catch a dub. But nonetheless, stay blessed, stay dangerous, stay trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.